Okay. So I just wanted to come on here and just show you something I just got in the mail. This is I'm part of the Best Uni Crew group, and I love Miss Uni, Josie. She's inspires me so much. So we're going to be looking at this item right here. This item right here. It's the full transfer kit, and in the kit it comes with the housing and 3 tips: fine, medium, and bold tips. And it also comes with, I have to turn this over because there's like a glare. It comes with the foil pieces, silver, gold foil pieces. I didn't want to put the glare on there, that's why I'm kind of hiding it. I don't know where that light is. Okay, and this requires no heat, so Cricut wanted to get in that money because everybody wanted to use the foil for their cards and stuff. So Cricut came up with this item here. I believe I paid, it was either $39, I think it was $39 I think for it. I'm not sure, I think it was $39. And I just have some cardstock here in this. So the way this works is put this over here. You use cardstock on your, let's go the long way, on your mat. Okay, and then also in the kit it comes with the paper also. So it comes in the packets, it comes with the strips. So you can see the tape strips here. These are the tape strips. Just pull them off right here. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this on, but I'm going to move it back a little bit because I don't want that glare, because it definitely glares. See if I can cover it up while I put it on. Alright. I don't want you to get that. Alright, and it says not to use the foil over your mat because it's hard to get the foil out. So I'm going to have to turn it this way. Alright. So take off this first strip. So the first one they said to put down. So let's use it right here in the corner. Alright. I'll put the first strip down on it, and then it says to pull it down, that one down. Flatten it out. I can't tell which is back and front. Alright. Then it says to grab the grab the bottom, put it on there, and then pull it taut. So I'm going to pull this as taut as possible. And that little piece right there, I want to act crazy. Let's see if I can. See, this is what I hate, having to deal with mess like this. Alright, that's taut. As taut as it's going to get. Add some to the side also. And it's going to follow directions the first time. Alright, I'm going to do this side here. Alright, and the last side, I'm going to grab it up and pull it. Grab the edge and pull it taut. Okay, so that's pretty taut. Yeah, that's about as taut as you're going to get. So next, now that we have that, I'm going to get that, hide that, because that glare is crazy. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to take, let me move you over. Move you over a little bit. Alright, and it comes with the housing right here. It has a magnetic piece in there. Okay, and it comes with, oh child, just pull them out. as you can see here, they have, this is the bold because it has 3 rings. This is the fine because it has 1 ring around it, and this, okay, that's the bold here. This is the medium, so you can't go wrong on the identifying which is which. Okay, today we're going to be using the bold, which is this one here. Okay, so the way it works is you pull this in, and it's magnetic in there, so you put it in with the rings go in, I mean the rings go out, are out, and you push it in, that magnet catches it. Oh, you heard that? Do it again. It's a magnet in there. There you go, and it's in. See? Alright, so I'm going to take this one out, regular blade. Okay, I'm going to put this in and fasten it. Alright, good to go. Alright, so now we're going to go to Cricut. Alright, so right here I'm going to reproduce this. I would just want to test out something. So the way you do it, just go to text, put in a word. That's my nickname. I already had it set on confetti. The way to find that is to go to text, go to filter, choose writing. Okay, and then you find whichever one of these that you want. I just chose confetti. Okay, alright, let me finish writing. Oops, can't spell today. Juicy. Alright, okay, so as you see, this one is gold and this one is just regular writing. So you have to actually go up to line type, go down to foil, and choose the bold, because we're doing the one with the 3 stripe, which is bold. So we choose bold, and then right up here, that's where you choose the color. And I believe the color was gold. Yeah, it was gold. So they have like quite a few colors. You got gold, rose gold, red, purple, aqua, emerald, fuchsia. So yeah, you can get the packs with just this and the tape in it. So we're gonna go with gold. Okay, now on here you see that's the font. You can see it says writing. Okay, and the space, I want to make this a little bit bigger, so I'm just gonna bring this out just a little bit. We're gonna make it about 3. Okay, we're gonna hide this one. We don't need that one. Okay, so that's all it is. So we're gonna see how this does. Alright, let's put a square around it, because I want to see if it actually tells me to cut out the square. Say if you're doing a card or something, we're going to see if it actually stops me and have me cut it, the square out. Okay, it's in the middle. Okay, let's bring the square in a little bit. We don't need all that. This is just a test. Alright. Alright, and we're going to change this to red because that's what my cardstock is. Alright, so I just want to know if it's going to actually stop me in the middle and tell me to cut it and change out the blade. Alright, so go to attach. Alright, now we're going to go to make it. Okay, and I'll make it. You do not have to mirror it or anything like that. This is exactly where my cardstock is. Right here. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Okay, it's in there. Alright, now we're going to go to continue. Okay. And we're going to choose the paper I'm using. Cardstock right here. 65 weight. And right here it tells you no tool required in clamp A. Then it says load tool, load foil transfer tool, bow tip 3 lines in clamp B, which we did. Tape gold foil on base material, which we did. Then it says load mat and press load unload button. And right here it says coming up fine point blade. So hopefully it tells me to change it. All right, so let's go over here and change out. Let's go over here and change out the button. Okay, so we're going to load. Oh, that is such a glare on there. All right. Then we're going to hit print. Well, cut or whatever. And I'm sorry it's so noisy. You know how it is. Oh yeah. Hopefully you guys can see that really good. And again, this is the foil transfer kit from Cricut for foiling without heat. Cricut wanted to get that money. I guess they got tired of people trying to foil with the heat, and so they wanted to get that money themselves, so they came up with something new, which is nice. That's pretty nice, because I do a lot of foiling on imitations, greeting cards, world ideas of things you can do with it. I don't know how much the foil packets are. I have to look that up, but I'm quite sure when they have sales you can find good deals. Alright, so it's telling me do not unload the mat. It's telling me to remove used gold foil. Alright, so it pulled it out enough for me to remove this, so I'm going to remove it. And it comes up pretty good. It's not really sticking hard. Alright. Okay. Put that to the side. And it says to load the fine point. Take this out. Alright. Now it tells me to press the go button. There we go. All right. Okay, so let's turn this down. Let's see if I can get it to focus. All right, so see, it actually came out pretty good. See that really good? Yeah, I like it. So I just want to share this with you guys. You know me, I'm always looking for something new. All right, so thank you for joining me. Hopefully you guys try it out and we can see some good ideas in the chat with this. So all right, and shout out to Best Uni. That's my girl. She inspires me every day. Y'all have a blessed day.